Porzingis, their only shot blocker, is out of the game.
James doubled, finds Ellington, corner to Westbrook. Final seconds, out to Reaves, three-pointer, bang! Reaves gives him a three-point lead with 9/10 of a second remaining. No timeouts for Dallas. Bullock from half court. Oh, off the mark, and the Lakers survive in overtime. What a finish here in Dallas.
And I thought he got fouled, too.
Austin Reaves, what a game. 5 of 6 from three-point range, 15 points. Playing all the crunch time minutes. And the Lakers win their third in a row.
Well, Coach, how about trusting each other? The extra pass time and time made again. Ellington to Westbrook, LeBron to Ellington, Ellington to Westbrook, and then Westbrook finding Reaves.
Yeah, good offense. Westbrook turns it down, finds Reaves. And that was right down the middle. And they had a foul to give.
The 23-year-old rookie out of Oklahoma, who wasn't drafted, signed as a free agent with the Lakers with the biggest moment of his young NBA career.
And you're right, that's a foul.
Good pass by Westbrook.
James using the screen. He's covered. Reaves has it. 5 seconds to go. Reaves on the drive. Inside layup. He banks it in with 1 second remaining. No timeouts. Here comes Curry. Launches at three-quarters court. Oh, off the mark. And the Lakers win a thriller.